Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my texture and white space. Well, it's going to be a journal page. Thank you for all the input I got from you. There were suggestions to do the lace or this stuff a bit more here. Splatters, little spider or spiders, some shimmer, a border or a frame, sort of frame. So there were lots of suggestions, and there were a few, well, they liked it the way it was, or it is. I still like it the way it is, but yeah, I would like to try some splatters, spiders, not sure. Very few splatters. So I'm going to do that. I noticed that there are lots of people in the comments on YouTube, Facebook, that they are, well, it's white. White is white. It's so white, and well, it is white. White, leaving white space. It's a bit, well, it's difficult, and well, but I like white space, so I would like to leave it this way, but yeah, a few spiders. No, yeah, spiders, splatters. I do splatters, and I could make a spider of it. Nina said, not Jamie, sorry Jamie, sorry Nina. Nina said, Nina Rabina, a little spider over here. Just a little one, tiny spider. Love that too, but I would like to have some splatters. Well, no more talking. I'm going to add some splatters. I hope you can't see it, but I'm pouring some black paint on my mat, adding some water. Oh, this is scary. Well, I want a few splatters here. Ooh. And a few here. No, 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 no more. No, that's it. That's it. Now I want to make a little spider or spiders. I should dry it first. Let's do that. Just dry it. Well, I think it's dry now. Not quite. This one is wet. But, and why do I like splatters or spiders? Well, spiders is a bit more Halloweenish, so that's why I like the idea of a spider. So, which one? The big one, small one, maybe a few more spiders. Oh, this one. Sorry. I was keeping my breath, and I shouldn't do that. that's a little spider. And I could here, little spider too. Oh, you can't see it. There's one too. And maybe here. You can see it, yes. Right, yeah. Okay, 3 little spiders. Well, I would like to make a little cross, but they are so tiny. Yeah, I think I like that. See, a few little spiders. Well, that should be a cross, but I'm going to make it dark again. Well, I know I'm drilling holes in spiders, but when I'm doing some white on the spider, it looks like a hole too. So I'm painting them black again. So you can see that's a spider. Little ones. Could draw a thread too. No, I'm not doing anything anymore. I know it's difficult, but I'm not making a border. I'm leaving it this way. Just cleaning up a bit here. So, gluing it in with some glue, with tape. So I'm gluing it in, and when I glued it in, I'll show you. Well, I glued it in my journal. You should look like it like this. And well, I like it with the splatters and little spiders, and I liked it without. So, but this is enough. That's as far as I go. So, well, I liked it very much, your input, and well, maybe I'll do it once again. When I need your help, I will ask. Thank you for watching. Bye.